Hey guys, it's me here and I'm back for a video. So for today's video, here's my nagbigay, oh my god, nandito. Oh my god. So may nagbigay ng gift sa akin. So, si Walter guys. So, medyo mabigat siya guys. So, let's open it. So, here, here, I'm gonna open now. Oh my god.
Pikit muna.
Yeah.
Oops.
Let's hear. Oh my god, guys! Look at phone. Guys, a phone. Look at that. Here. Oh my god.
Ilang percent na yan?
So, here is it, guys. I'm so happy. So, I think iPhone ano kaya? Hindi ko alam guys kung iPhone na ito. So, okay, so open. So,
iPhone 5 bata yan?
May password na ba ito? So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5,
Oh my god,
6.
it's open. Why? He knows that they have a gift for me. Why did you don't tell me?
Because I don't know too.
Oh my god, guys. So cute. So, medyo
Balik tayo sa cellphone.
maliit pa. So, may nag-video din sa kabila sa akin. So,
Ito po yung bigay niyo din sa
may
akin.
binigyan din siya ni Walter. So, ito yung akin. May case na yung akin. So, kanya wala pa.
Akin po. Bibili pa po kami mamaya.
Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye! See you again tomorrow for our... Oh my god. Guys, may vlog pa mga pala ako mamaya. So, hindi ako sure kung
Sa
mag-swimming
swimming
kami.
po.
Guys, I'm so happy.
Sorry na lang, guys.
Guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Wait. Sorry na lang pag hindi kami nakapag-vlog sa swimming pool.
Kasi hindi pa siya guys sure
Sure.
kung...
Magsuswimming kami
Magsuswimming
o hindi.
So, thanks for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
Bye.